Welcome to our ultimate guide on the top 5 blenders of 2024. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary artist, or simply someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, finding the perfect blender can make all the difference. In this video, we'll take you through our top picks, showcasing their unique features, performance, and why they stand out in the market. Let's blend into the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which blenders you think is the best. Number 1, we're diving into the Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. If you're on the hunt for a powerful and reliable blender, this might just be the one for you. Let's check it out. The Ninja BL610 boasts a robust 1000-watt motor, which effortlessly crushes ice and blends frozen fruits for smooth, consistent results. The standout feature here is the total crushing technology, which pulverizes ice to snow in seconds, ideal for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches, whether you're meal prepping or hosting a gathering. Plus, it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The control panel is straightforward, featuring 3 speeds and a pulse function, giving you precise control over your blends. While the motor is powerful, it can be a bit noisy, but the performance it delivers makes it worth it. The Ninja BL610 is a fantastic choice if you need a reliable, powerful blender. It's perfect for anyone who loves making smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Number 2, the NutriBullet Personal Blender, Model NBR0601. If you're looking for a compact and efficient blender for shakes, smoothies, and more, this might be the perfect fit. Let's check it out. The NutriBullet NBR0601 comes with a 600-watt motor that packs a punch, effortlessly blending fruits, vegetables, and even ice. It's perfect for quick and healthy shakes and smoothies, ensuring you get a smooth and consistent blend every time. The 24-ounce cup is just the right size for single servings, making it ideal for personal use. Plus, it's BPA-free and comes with a to-go lid, so you can take your smoothie on the run. Cleaning up is a breeze, too. Just rinse the cup and blade. Or pop them in the dishwasher. One of the best things about the NutriBullet is its simplicity. Just push, twist, and blend. It's that easy. Despite its powerful motor, it's surprisingly quiet, so you won't disturb the whole house while making your morning smoothie. The NutriBullet Personal Blender is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use blender. Number 3, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja BR201 AMZ Professional Blender 2.0. If you're searching for a powerful and versatile blender, this might be the perfect fit. Let's dive in. The Ninja BR201 AMZ boasts an impressive 1200-watt motor, providing more than enough power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and handle tough ingredients. Its total crushing blades ensure smooth, consistent results every time, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches, whether you're hosting a party or meal prepping for the week. It's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. One standout feature is the Auto IQ program, which uses intelligent blending patterns to take the guesswork out of blending. Just select your desired program, and the blender does the rest. Plus, it has 4 manual speeds for ultimate control. The intuitive control panel is easy to use, featuring 4 manual speeds and Auto IQ settings. Despite its powerful motor, the blender operates smoothly, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The Ninja BR201 AMZ Professional Blender 2.0 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile blender. It's perfect for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. Number 4, the IDO Blender, a powerhouse designed for your kitchen. If you're searching for a versatile and robust blender, this might be just what you need. Let's dive in. The IDO Blender features a mighty 1500-watt motor, giving it the strength to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and handle tough ingredients effortlessly. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or even soups, this blender delivers smooth and consistent results every time. The 68-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches, ideal for families or meal prepping. It's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making it easy to clean and safe to use. This blender's user-friendly control panel features multiple speed settings and a pulse function, giving you precise control over your blends. Despite its powerful motor, the IDO Blender operates smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features is its versatility. From crushing ice for frozen drinks to blending creamy smoothies, the IDO Blender does it all. Plus, its sleek silver design adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. the IDO Blender is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile kitchen appliance. It's perfect for ice crushing, frozen drinks, and more. Number 5. The NutriBullet Blender, a compact yet powerful kitchen essential. If you're looking for a versatile blender for quick and easy meal prep, this might be the perfect fit. Let's dive in. The NutriBullet Blender is small but mighty, with a 250-watt motor that can handle a variety of tasks. From blending smoothies and shakes to chopping vegetables and grinding coffee beans, this little blender does it all. This 11-piece set includes everything you need: a tall cup, a short cup, party mugs, and various lids. It's perfect for making single servings and quickly switching between tasks. Plus, all the components are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. One of the best things about the NutriBullet is its simplicity. Just load your ingredients, twist on the blade, and press down. It's that easy. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or prepping ingredients for dinner, the NutriBullet is up to the task. Its compact size means it won't take up much space on your counter, and it's easy to store when not in use. Despite its small size, it delivers big performance, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The NutriBullet Blender is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a compact, versatile, and easy-to-use blender. It's perfect for quick meals, snacks, and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.